guys, welcome to Gateway Walkthrough videos. This video is going to do the quick introduction of Gateway and how you could use Gateway in your communities. To begin with, you need three components: a laptop with internet connective, a mobile app, Gateway app installed, and Gateway device fully assembled. First step you're going to do is you need to create your account and organization on our website. So let's go into register to register the account. Just wait a bit to be fully created. Alright. And we're successful. You need to sign in. First, user sign in. You're going to have a welcome from Gateway from our team. And you need to create an organization. Organization ID has to be unique. Unique. And let's say that our organization name also the same. And make sure that you need to upload your organization background for easier recognition on the mobile app. And when you hit create, you're going to need to wait a bit for the image to be fully uploaded. When successful, the web going to show a quick congratulations, you create your organization successful. Currently on the web, you could see that there's no device yet on the application because you are not connecting your mobile to your organization. So let's do it. When you create your device, you need to have a name, location, and tag. So let's say I want to play this device as front door, and the location is going to be my campus, campus 1. Tag could be like this device used for do the ID card things and face mask recognition. When you hit create, the web gonna show up the QR code for configure your mobile device to your organization. So let's do it. Okay, on the mobile application, currently we support 2 languages, Vietnamese and English. Let's switch this to English. Alright. Then some of the steps we need to agree with our term and service, also the permission we're going to use on the mobile device. Okay, when the scanning process, you just need to wait just a bit. When the scan is successful, you're going to see we found your device, and when you hit connect, wait a bit to connect. When the connection is successful, you're going to see the mobile app going to show up the IoT device name, firmware version, and the manufacturers, which is us. When you hit next, it's going to do the next step, which is configure the QR code on the website to your mobile app. So let's open the camera. Currently the front camera of my mobile is broken, so I'm going to use the front one. Alright, so I just scan the QR. And you could see that when you scan the correct QR, the mobile going to say OK. Type it and just wait a bit. It's going to show up your organization background image for recognition, and you need to hit on this is my organization to confirm it. After you confirm, you're going to see that your device is fully online. This is the little color right there, and you could check on the website. You could see that you will have 1 devices and the status going to be online. When you type next, you're going to go to the main features of Gateway, which is COVID-19 checking. So this step gonna be doing the demo, how user gonna interact with gateway. So first we need to open the application, and immediately you're gonna see the web. Your device will be connected with the standard online. Alright. So in order to use gateway, users has to wear a face mask. And when they wear them, the face mask recognition gonna have a tick on, and they need to require their temperature check. They're gonna go closer to the head, and they're gonna see the temperatures. And also, users have to do the health declaration. So our university, we're using our student card. Just swipe in, and on the website, you're gonna see immediately that the users do their COVID declaration via ID card. And another method we support, which is doing through QR. Yeah, and currently my hand I have a QR code. So root symbol, face mask on, body temperature check, and reviving their health declaration method, which is QR. And so when you look on the web application, you're gonna see that person do the health declaration through QR code, and that's it. So gateway device, if there are no person in front, so let me just stay still for 3 seconds. So that is all about gateway. We are fully open source. More documentation on how to set up the IoT device will be found on our document website. So really thank you for your time to take time and watch this video. Bye.